Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can add a Visa gift card to Fanduel. Now, it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, to add a Visa gift card to Fanduel, you can just basically go ahead and on the options to add, you want to select gift card, choose the amount you want to deposit. You want to enter the gift card details, all right? And then what you want to be doing, guys, is when you come here to add funds, come here and click on a debit card. So we're going to be using that gift card. So select gift card, choose the amount you want to deposit, enter the gift card details, and click on deposit. Now, some banks and gift cards may not work with FanDuel. For example, the Game On cards are not allowed in certain states. You can see right here. And another thing, guys, is that Play Plus prepaid cards are also not allowed in others, and you can check with your bank or card provider to learn more about their terms and conditions. But otherwise, guys, it is really that easy and simple to come add a gift card. So you'll find them under the other deposit options right here. Just come here, choose gift card, of course, and just, enter the amount you want to deposit and the gift card details, and you will be done. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it does, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.